As part of the Ontario government's measures to increase consumer choice in auto insurance, housekeeping and home maintenance expenses and caregiver benefits were made optional. Barb Slzenko-Lori, IBC's Vice President of Policy, explains how the housekeeping benefit has changed over the last few years and what she thinks consumers should do before purchasing or renewing their auto policy.
Well, again, people need to be informed, and we're recommending that when people purchase insurance or they renew their insurance, that they talk about what their needs and their potential needs are in the event of an accident causing an injury with an insurance professional like a broker or an agent, and in some cases, it's absolutely inappropriate that one would be purchasing caregiver assistance or attendant care assistance, depending upon one's circumstances. I mean, why would you be purchasing caregiver insurance, if you don't have an elderly parent that you're taking care of or younger children that you're taking care of? So, and why would you purchase housekeeping insurance if the way in which you keep your house clean is not vulnerable to the loss of temporary loss of your services as a homemaker? So people have to make those choices, and they should make those choices on the basis of what their own circumstances are. Most of us, if we are injured in any other capacity other than by riding in a motor vehicle, and I, for example, broke my leg in the park when I was hit by a couple of dogs that were frolicking, and so I spent a month or a month and a half on a crutch, and homemaking assistance is not available. You're injured in any other capacity, and that kind of assistance is not available. Trade-off, should everyone pay higher insurance so that some people can make use of homemaking assistance because they feel it's appropriate for them? And as has happened over the course of the last over the last few years, is that homemaking assistance became part and parcel of every single minor injury claim. Was it necessary, or was it simply taking advantage of the benefit because it was there? Well, I'll show you what happened to housekeeping costs, In 2004, the average cost of a housekeeping claim was $5,200. And in 2009, the average cost of a housekeeping claim was $10,200. So that was an increase of 94.4%. At the same time, the frequency with which people were making these claims, also increased pretty significantly. So that the contribution of housekeeping, to the cost of your car insurance rose as a result.